First of all, it is not me supporting Fujifilm, it is Fujifilm supporting the city government of Makati because they have partnered with us in our Makati Zen Caravan. So almost every month, Fujifilm is with us when we go to the barangay, and they are able to provide the city scans for free to our Makati Zen. So this is one way for us to show our appreciation to Fujifilm because of their support in our caravan. This FDR portable X-ray will be used not just for TB detection, but for other things, other diagnoses. Yes, Makati is very fortunate that we do have the facilities, we do have the resources to be able to give access to healthcare services to our constituents, whether they are rich or they are poor. I am appalled by the number of 600,000 cases of TB. How many? Those are diagnosed cases. So how many are the undiagnosed cases? And it is curable as long as but key is early detection. Si Eloisa kanina, I was very surprised with what happened to you because lagi si TB, ano yan, lungs lang yan. It does not go into any other places of your body. But it seems that's the reason why it is more important to detect and cure it because it is curable. So in Makati, we have 0 cases of rabies because of our aggressive approach when it comes to vaccination, information dissemination, and I think TB is the same. The same approach to be able to eradicate tuberculosis. Eventually, the TB society will just be something in the past, hopefully. We will be procuring one because we want to prove that it actually works. 2, we want to spread the word in the entire Philippines that there's such a thing. Hindi po, they're not paying me, okay? Fujifilm is not paying me for marketing their product. But if I believe in something and I know it will help our country, why should I not push it? So etong portable X-ray na to, ito ang solusyon. Ito na talaga yung solusyon para matapos na ang TB sa Pilipinas. Iba naman ang problemahin natin. At least that's one of our list of problems. So I want to work with Eloisa. I want to bring, once we have procured, bibilisan na namin. Once we have procured our FDR air, we will bring it to our sister cities. We do have sister municipalities that will be more in need of this equipment. So we will share and spread the love to our mga kababayan na mas nangangailangan ng tulong sa Pilipinas. So thank you very much.